Here we have a 65 plate BMW 420d xDrive M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £4,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website, but include the interior comfort package. We also have the 19-inch M double spoke alloy wheels, finished in gloss black, all in excellent condition. We have the blue metallic paintwork, the LED headlights, gloss black front kinder grills. As a look at the front end, we also have the M Performance Kit, which includes gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, yet again unmarked. Taking a step back, you find we have the side skirt extensions. We have the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, with the shark fin antennae up top. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. And round to the rear, you find we have the twin pipe exhaust with the rear diffuser. There's a look at the back end. Back around to the driver's side, you find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, refundable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. Again at the front, the full leather interior. Both the front seats are heated, also electrically adjustable. We have the memory functions just there as well. We have the blue trim on the doors, the electric windows with child lock for the rear, electric mirrors as well. We have the automatic lights and the automatic wipers, a multifunctional steering wheel. If you take a seat inside, you find we have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. We have the dashboard in front of us. We also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav. We have all the shortcuts down here, so the phone connectivity, a range of media, the DAB radio, the climate control down here, heated seat buttons either side, ice cold air conditioning as well. We have the 6-speed manual gearbox, all the different drive modes just down there, the parking sensors button, traction control button as well. We have the manual handbrake, nice little leather armrest which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.